Hello and welcome. My name is Michael Alfano. I'm the Instructional Technology Coach for the Peekskill City School District, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to translate content in Google Chrome. In our first example, we have a technology survey that's being distributed via Google Forms. This is a sample form where users would type in their name, choose their school from the drop-down, choose their grade, and type in what their favorite type of technology is and why. Rather than making a different Google form for every possible language of our end users, what we can do is right-click in the space on the side of the form. Then from the drop-down menu, choose the Translate button. Now, depending on the languages you have set up, this may say Translate to English, or it may say Translate to another language. In either case, you can still click on this button, which will open up the translation tool built into Google Chrome. From there, we can click on the three dots, choose another language, and then use the drop-down to choose our language. In our example, I'm going to choose Spanish, and once I've confirmed my choice, I will click Translate. Now you can see all of the contents of the Google form have been translated into Spanish using the Google Translate engine. We can now see that all of the content, including the content buried within the drop-down menus, has been translated for the end user. This is a great way for users to be able to answer a Google form in their native language. If we need to modify the language once again, we can click on the Google Translate icon that will appear up in the top bar. We can choose the three dots, and we can choose another language once again. And using that drop-down, we can change the language. In this case, we'll go back to English and click Translate. In our second example, we have a New York Times article that we would also like to translate into another language. Using the same technique as before, we can right-click somewhere on the screen, click on the translation button, click on the three dots, choose another language, and then from the drop-down, select another language. In this case, I will go for a simplified version of Chinese, click on Translate, and we can see that all of the content once again has been translated into a different language. If we need to go back, once again, this Translate button at the top can be used by clicking the three dots, choose another language, and we can go ahead and set this to any language that we choose. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.